Ellen, Sila, Lumen, o Mentielvo. Let's start talking about the plurals. Let's bring up a bunch of words. Let's say Vala, um, Aram, Ha, Ramen, Aran, um, say Anar. What about Isil? And what about Lie? So mainly you have two rules. Not mainly. You have two rules for making plural in Quenya. Vala means God, and to add the plural you say Valar. So it is not very complicated. So Aran means king. So let's Arani. So you add an e. So this means king, kings. And now these are the only two rules, and it is really easy. You don't have to memorize anything here. It's just two things. In the first case, I added r, and in the second case, I replaced the um I replaced the vowel a by e. So we have these these two cases. It is really easy. So you add r, you add ore at the end of all the words that ends in a, e, o, u, and you add e in all the words that end in consonants or in e. For example, lie. Oh yeah, here. This is an example. For example, isil, which means moon, will have a plural isili. Moons. Um, because it ends in a consonant. Sorry, I'm wrong here. Okay, and also Arani. Anar, which is the sun, would be my. So Anar would be Anari, and this would be sun slash suns. And there's actually it's not great difference. And the only exception of this rule is the ending ear. When there's an ending ear, we change that for ear. So, and that's pretty much it. Lie, which means people or nation, which is in plural already. I don't know how these guys make sense of each other. That's how when it works. There will be nation and nations in this case. Let's just change um, the noun here, and the plural of lie will be lier, and that's how you make um, plurals in Quenya. Um, let's go over some vocabulary that you have to memorize for this lesson, and let's start with mine, which is one. Um, Anar, Isil, I have already talked about that. Elda, this is very interesting. In plural would be Eldar. Eldar. And this means elves. Um, let's go for Vende, which means girl. Yes, girl, mademoiselle, girls. Um, I have also spoken about that, and Tasa, which is a tree, a special tree. This in plural would be Tasa, Tasari, yeah, special type of tree, sauce, sauce, sauce. So these are the words for you in the first lesson. Also, I have to, before ending this video, I have to explain two specific words, which are the article and the bounding word, which is first one is are. Let's make a sentence. Anar are isil, which means the sun and the moon. So are means and let's be polite and say e, which is the article, and anar, since it's a proper noun, doesn't have the article. But if we were to put everything in perspective, we would say I anar are I isi, which means the same thing, the sun and the moon. Again, I put the article here because it's an example, but properly it is sun and moon. The next video we're gonna go over the exercises in lesson 2 in our course, and that will be for us the lesson 5 on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Jose Giraldez.